Are you ready to transform how you label in Autocad? Imagine saving hours of work with just a few lines of Python code and a little AI magic. Today, we are automating a task to generate labels for points coordinates in Autocad. Recently, I was working on a project involving pavement testing core logs. It required checking the coordinates of numerous points. This got me thinking. There must be a faster way to visualize these coordinates directly in Autocad. So, I turned to ChatGPT. I asked, can you suggest a Python code that labels Autocad points with their coordinates? Watch how this AI becomes our design ally. The response was fascinating. So here we have the code and some instructions as well in how to use it. I'll go back to Autocad. I'll create some just random points, just randomly with different coordinates, so we can try that code. I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy the code. I go to Visual Studio, a code editor, paste the code there, and I will do run to see the results. You can see the coordinates are printed in Visual Studio, and when you look in AutoCAD, you can see the coordinates labels. But I wasn't happy about the style. The text was so big, so look for the add text function. I think there is a height for the text. I changed it to 0.1 and run the code again. Then you can see the text now is much smaller. But again, it appears to be too small. So I went back to Visual Studio and change that value to 0.2, run the code again, and now it looks much better. I'm happy with that result. So I need just to select similar for all the labels and just move them toward the right hand side to make it more clear. And that's it, all done. Imagine using natural language. You are now able to generate codes in programming languages and automate the work in your machine. It's a change of the game. This has saved me around 80 to 90% of my work time. Automation with precision. I hope this was insightful and sparked some ideas on how coding can help you in your AutoCAD work. If you are as excited about similar content as I am, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. In the meantime, I have a question for you. Have you ever had to automate labeling in AutoCAD? And do you think you are able to automate such tasks? Let's keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in design. See you in the next one.